round for the semi-final. We have Buhanoy Ivo Carnesa, ACA, from Don Bosco College. And Kabatingan Mark Xavier from CITU. Please prepare as I call your name. 15 to 16 years old Kata girls. Ayi Nierva Vernice, ACA. We have Odjo Mary Caroline, from Bangaling National High School. Then we have Mitante Grace Sardon, ACA, from CITU, Kabihi Zuriel Ann from Abiliara National School, Dao Nikki Rose, ACA, from Talamban National High School, Trosho Kelly Alexander, from USJR AO,